So now we got them covered. I'm going to talk about volume control, and box call is great on windy days. It's pretty loud, and cuts the wind good, and it sounds like a turkey. And we talked about that soft tree yelps earlier, and I like a box for really good hen yelping. And if I'm talking about a turkey getting closer, I usually switch up to a mouth call or a slate call. A slate call is incredible for soft hen talk. Tree calls. I mean, you can definitely get loud with it. You can cut real good with it. And as they get closer, that sound all turkeys make, especially hens when they're feeding, that by just leaving that striker drag. Straight line, let the striker vibrate, and real soft, subtle stuff. In my opinion, a slate or glass call is great all-round call, but especially for that soft stuff. Hey, we appreciate you coming along. Good luck to you this spring, and thank you for being a Pennsylvania hunter.